to Spekd. Today I want to be putting forward the community pictures that I've received from you guys, as you've done a lot of work and I want to say thank you, so I put this video together. First off, I'll just be going through some of the projects I've been working on that you might have seen in the background of videos, and just kind of let you know the state they're in. So this is just to get started off. As you can see there, I've got my custodies done and I'm waiting for my sister's silence to get ready. I've got a custom tomb sentinel there which I've created from some wraiths and a couple of tyranids there just for colour contrast. The picture's not too good on that one, but the idea is I want to make sure that you guys are sending in pictures and I'll showcase them when I can. So this is my Renegade Knight, which I made mention that I would show you in the middle of one of the conquest videos, and I forgot to put it in the back there, so you get to kind of see it close up, kind of warp, decayed, Mechanica style. A little bit of writing on there. Drop pods, I miss drop pods, I'm not gonna lie, but the best thing that I currently use them as is just like smite sponges, and there's a little couple of bits there for gene stealers. The little kind of mission thing I was going to do kind of got put on pause, but you know, I'm still working on it. Alright, so let's get started with Adam Fox's work. And I know for a fact painting white is extremely hard, and he's done such a good job on these cataphracti terminators. It looks like he's gone Horus Heresy style here. And he's a great, and look, the sneaky little blood angel there. Good man, extra 5 marks. Thanks for sending it in. Talking of Horus Heresy, he has a whole heap of Horus Heresy blood angels here in various different armor. Really nice to see. Is that a sneaky Araman in the back? Either way, there's some really nice red strong golds there. And we've got some aggressors. We've got a video on aggressors, but these ones are the Bolt Storm Gauntlets, and he's even taken the time to paint the Power Fist black. That's something that I forgot to do on mine. It's really good. We have a Chaplain with Jetpack, and this to me is the updated version of Lamate, so I'm glad you've got that. And another Custodes fan here. Got some nice golds on there. You can see some really good work, man. Well done. Well, he gave me the tip here on heads. If you actually use like a violet wash, it kind of creates like an irritated look, and I mentioned this in one of the videos and you can see it there. It's really nice, and I've never tried pinning heads and then painting them all at once. I normally attach them to the model first. I might have to try that. And this is Ali's work. He's on Instagram. He's an amazing painter. Now this is the guy that won the narrative base contest. And you can see here the incredible detail. I mean, it takes ages to paint them, and you know, you could tell why. These models, oh, just wow, wow. Hey, Ali, get your Instagram info, and you know, you should commission paint. I mean, for real, from tip of the spear to the base. It's absolutely amazing. This was the narrative based competition models that he won with there, but I mean, he's just shown us some. I mean, well, I'm glad I put mine up first. Can't go after that. Good job, Ali. Thank you for sending in these pictures. DRAKEHIDE, he sent in some pictures of Eldari here, and you can see the Wraith Lords up close there, and that's really nice. He's got a really nice camera as well, and even the basin has got so much detail. You know what I really like about that is the colours he's used. You know, it's kind of like almost this bone kind of colour there going on, and the black isn't 100% black. It's more like almost a blue tinted grey. Looks so good. And a couple of Farseers there, I believe they're called. I don't play it up. Some really nice pictures there. Thank you for sending those in. Really appreciate that. Okay, Jonathan Hanna. Now I believe he won a competition again. This is another competition winner, And he's got his IDNF deep pin, so this is from Age of Sigmar stuff here. And I've got some Age of Sigmar stuff as well, so we're talking about backwards and forwards. I said, yeah, I'll definitely showcase your stuff, no problem. And he kind of gave me permission as well. We've got some Wraiths here from the new Age of Sigmar 2.0 box set. Really good set. Got a nice little bit of batch painting again from Hex Wraiths here. I think they're called Hex Wraiths. Again, that green is so rich. And I kind of went the luminous route. And I can see how on the board against like those kind of grey colours, that just kind of brings like a kind of almost like a dingy, dreary feeling. And if you have that on the army on the desk, that must look great. More Wraiths there. Now this was the alternative set of colours that I really wanted to use for my Stormcast Eternals, because when they first came out I went gold, but when I saw the silver and blue, alright. Sorry. TereTrixGaming, he has his own YouTube channel, you can find that, and this was his Primaris Captain, Hero Captain. He's got so much work in there in detail, very good stuff, just go check his channel. And Warhammer Painter Boy, this is another person that has a YouTube channel, you should check his channel as well. Thank you for sending this in, he's had these pictures for a while, but he takes like some of the smallest models and put so much detail into them. I think this guy's going to be another future, commission painter. You can see there. I don't know if he specialises in tiny models just to get that effect, but it's, they come across like really artistic. It's really nice work. And the Weather Pig, another YouTuber. He has a channel as well. Please go and check it out. As always, with anyone that sends you work, I'll kind of give you a nod to your channel. And you can see why it's called the Weather Pig there. He's got so much weathering. Well, that was it. It was a quick one. Thank you very much, guys. Send your pictures into the email there, spekdyt@gmail.com. I appreciate your time. I've enjoyed my time. And as always, this has been Spekd. PC out.